How to hard reset Reno 14 Pro.
Step 1. First off, press and briefly hold the power button to switch off your phone. Step 2. Then keep pressing both volume down and power buttons at the same time.
Step 3. Release the buttons only when recovery mode appears.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.